flexible right now. You should be able to put slight pressure into either the blocks or the ground. Go ahead and remove the blocks if you have them. We're coming into hand under foot pose. I love this pose, one of my favorite postures. You're simply going to bring the backs of your hands to the ground and start to walk your feet onto your palms. The more flexible you are, the easier it will be. But go ahead and wiggle your toes out, give the insides of your wrists a little massage. Take your time here. Release. We're coming into a triangle pose. Pick a side to come forward on. We'll do both sides. Bring a block to the inside of your front foot and begin to open that opposite arm up towards the ceiling. So one hand on the block, one hand towards the ceiling, opening your chest towards the ceiling. Big twist. Switch sides. Gently release into a wide angle standing forward fold and start to bend one knee then the other just to shake out the hamstrings, open the hips a little more. From here, go ahead and bring yourself all the way down to your mat. We're coming into a legs up the wall pose. Now you can either scoot yourself up against the wall and actually put your legs up a wall, or you can take a block under your hips to make it a little easier and just shoot your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Hold yourself there. This is an amazing pose for improving circulation of the blood through the body.